Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ram 3500 Laramie. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 199,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include towing package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.